Okay guys, we got a call for a winch out on South Baden Drive over here on Ski Mountain. It is some sort of SUV. I believe I see them with their hazards on. Perfect. I'm gonna see if I can get spun around, get this road blocked, and hopefully get them out pretty easy. Actually, I might not spin around. Let's get out and assess. How about that? I'm gonna park right here and we're gonna see. Now that I'm looking at it, I think I'm just gonna do exactly what I've been on doing. I'm gonna back up. Sorry. I'll be stationed in just a second. Are they in it? Do you see anybody in it or no? Oh, there's people right here. I don't know if I can. I'm gonna back into this driveway here. Is this you guys right here?
Yeah.
Okay, give me just a second. Is everybody okay?
Oh yeah. They moved over to let another car by.
Yeah, this road's kind of crazy. I couldn't.
So the front went off, and I was right there, and it just spinning in that wet grass.
Yeah.
Well, it made matters worse. I backed up, and then the back tire fell off.
Nah, it doesn't look too bad. I don't think it looks like you're bottomed out just a little bit, but I should be able to pick it up relatively easy. I'm gonna see if I can set this up. And it was insurance. You're all paid and all of that stuff already. So I'll just I'm gonna set this up, and then I'm gonna get some equipment out.
Okay.
It shouldn't take you too long. Perfect. Thank you so much.
Two bears come by. One of them come on our porch.
Be sure to lock your doors. On your usual cars, they can get in 100%. We get probably one or two every couple of months that the bears will get into because people move their cars and get into oil. So.
How many days a week?
Sorry?
How many days a week?
As much as I can. I might.
Stick with it, man. I'm telling you.
Oh, I know. I love it. I think I'm gonna move my truck back a little bit more.
I like the cars, man.
Thank you so much. Yeah, I'm gonna back up. Sorry about that.
No. I figured that's what it was.
Good thinking. Yeah, this is the first time this has been used today, so. It really is. guys so much.
Thank you.
Hi Bear. It's Tag. Bye Bear. Okay guys, I just wanted to come on here and just show you guys a little appreciation. Thank you guys so much for all that you guys do. I know that we just recently hit a huge milestone for my channel. We just hit 25,000 and then we just hit 26,000 subscribers. So I just wanted to come on here really quick and just say how much I appreciate you guys. Each and every single one of you guys are amazing. I love getting the opportunity to meet some of you guys in person. I love hearing from you guys in the comments. And again, I try to respond to as many comments as I can. I try to read through all of the comments. It's just kind of hard sometimes, especially whenever I'm out getting Wingstop. You know what I mean? But speaking of Wingstop, I just wanted to say again, I appreciate you guys, and to the gentleman that I ran into at Wingstop, thank you for coming in and saying hi. I wish I had a t-shirt or something to give you guys, but unfortunately we don't keep any of that stuff in any of the trucks, actually. It's so hard. It's hard to keep something that's gonna work for everybody. You know, we would have to keep, you know, one of every size or something of that sort for shirts, and it's really hard to do that. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for commenting down below. Love hearing from you guys, but that's the end of my rant. Stick around, stay tuned. I lied, it's not the end of my rant. This SD card has like 35 minutes left, so I'm gonna sit here and talk for the rest of the 35 minutes. No, but I also just wanted to say today is Sunday, August 23rd, I believe, 23rd or 24th. Don't come after me if that's the wrong. It's a Sunday in late August. Jeep Invasion just ended. Like I said, it's Sunday. It was this whole previous week before. We actually haven't been super busy. We actually haven't dealt with really any Jeeps at all, which is kind of crazy. But that's how it usually is. They usually come prepared and are able to self-rescue and stuff like that. But town is actually dead. Hasn't been any calls today. So if you're in the area after Jeep Invasion, enjoy it while it lasts, while town is not super busy, because we're getting ready to get a lot more car shows, and it's going to be really ridiculously busy. So stick around, stay tuned.